This video will go over the crystal system. Big crystals are items that you can create from normal crystals that will buff either the ionization cap or how much you get from an ionization in specific categories. Now, the thing to note, these will not buff any of the ionizations you already have equipped. This will only affect the future ionizations. Of course, to build them, you will need regular crystals, and for the ways to get them are, of course, the main way is harvesting, which we went over in the other harvesting videos. There is the crystal shop, which you can click on the crystal icon or go under the normal shop menu to get to. You can also get them from clan digs, as well as a very small amount from hard bosses. There's also a planet you can get that will produce them. For actually building big crystals, what you have to do is enter in recipes of smaller crystals to make them. The best way to get recipes is on the Facebook page, where we have a list of recipes. The important thing to note is that any of the recipes that have a parentheses around one of the numbers, that means that number is not exact, and you will only have a percentage chance to actually get that crystal. What's best to actually do is to get all the crystals that have an exact recipe first, and then go with the ones that don't have an exact recipe. So once you get your recipe and enter it in, you have two options for actually building them. You have the normal process, which will take 50 resets and all the crystals you inputted. And then you have black process. It's still going to cost 50 resets. If it's an exact formula, it will still cost the full amount of crystals, but it won't charge you the blacks. Then it will work the same way if the formula fails. It will be just like you used normal process that didn't work. It won't charge you the blacks. The only time this option will actually charge you the blacks is if there's a crystal available and you don't have the exact formula.